Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how to download Instagram videos on Android phone new update. So to download Instagram videos on Android phone, all you need to do just go to Instagram. Now to download a video on Instagram, just click the send icon of the video. And here you will see a copy link option, just click on it to copy the link. Now just go back. Now just go to a new web browser and search for Instagram video downloader. I'm using Google. Now after searching it, here you will see there are so many websites. You can just go any of these. I'm using this one. Now here you will see paste URL Instagram. Just click on it and paste what you copied and click on download. Now click on close and here you can see the video is here. Now to download the video, just click on the blue download video. Here you can see in the top the file is downloaded. Now click on to open it. Here you can see the video is now downloaded directed to your gallery. So guys, that's how you can download it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.